This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 7, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we are going to solve word problems involving money. Now, because the lesson does not require that we use any specific strategy, I'm going to show you a couple of different strategies for these problems. The first problem says, Patrick has one $10 bill, two $5 bills, and four $1 bills. How much money does he have in all? I'll start by writing my answer statement at the bottom to remind me of the goal of the problem. I'll say Patrick has blank in all. I'm going to use a number bond to help me with this problem. In a number bond, the top circle is the total. That's my question. I don't know how much he has in all, but I do know that he has a certain amount of $10 bills, $5 bills. For the $10 bill, since he has one $10 bill, that would be equal to $10. Now I'm going to show the two $5 bills. Two $5 bills is also equal to $10. And then I have four $1 bills. And I'll show that as $4. So the three parts of my number bond will help me find my total. Now I just need to add them. 10 and 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24. That tells me that the total is $24. Patrick has $24 in all. Now that's just an example using a number bond to help us find the answer. The next question says, Susan has two $5 bills and three $10 bills in her purse. She also has 11 $1 bills in her pocket. How much money does she have in all? I'm going to use a tape diagram to help us solve this problem. And I'll start with my answer statement at the bottom. We'll say Susan has blank in all. I'll show the amount that she has in her purse as one tape, and then the amount that she has in her pocket as another tape. So we'll put a P over here for the purse. I'm going to draw a tape, and I'm going to divide it into two $5 and three $10 bills. And we'll want to come up with the total for the amount in her purse. Then I'm going to also show that she has, I'll put PO for pocket, and she has $11 in her pocket. The final question is the combination of both of those. So I'll put a question mark over here to remind me that I need to come up with the total. We'll start by finding the total in her purse. So we have two $5 bills, that's 10, 20, 30, 40. So she has $40 in her purse. And we need to combine that with the $11 in her pocket. Well, 40 plus 10 would be 50, and one more would be 51. So the total of the two tapes is $51, and that tells us that Susan has $51 in all. The next question says Ryan had $60. He gave one $20 bill and three $5 bills to his cousin. How much money did Ryan have left? We'll write our answer statement at the bottom. Ryan had blank left. I'm going to choose to do an open number line for this question. Again, students can use a strategy that works for them. And I like the open number line for subtraction problems. So we'll start with the $60 that Ryan had at the start. And I need to jump back $20 and then three $5. So I'll show the $20 first. So I subtract 20 from 60 and I land on 40. And then I'm going to do three hops of 5 to show the three $5 bills. So I subtract 5 each time. 40 minus 5 is 35. Minus another 5 is 30. and minus 1 more 5 is 25. That tells me that Ryan had $25 left. Let's look at one more problem. This one says Michael had 4 $10 bills and 7 $5 bills. He had 3 more $10 bills and 2 more $5 bills than Tara. How much money did Tara have? I'll start by writing my answer statement. So we're looking to see how much money Tara has. So we'll write that at the bottom. Tara has blank. For this question, I think I'm going to draw pictures. So I'm going to show how much money Michael has by drawing the actual bills. So I'll start by drawing the 4 $10 bills. I'm going to show that each of these is 10. And then I'll draw the 7 $5 bills. And we'll show that each of those is 5. Now let's look at how much money Tara has. Well, it says that Michael had 3 more $10 bills than Tara. So here, this represents the more than part. That tells me that Tara had 1 $10 bill. And we also know that Michael had 2 more $5 bills. So we'll say that these two represent the more than part. And that tells me that Tara has 5 $5 bills. Now all I need to do is add up the bills that Tara has. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Tara has $35. Those were just a few examples of the different strategies that the students can use to solve these types of problems. They don't have to solve them using these exact strategies, but I wanted to give you a variety of different ways to answer the problems.